Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX5812 is another stunning addition to the series that continues to grow each year, even if it might be a tad too pricey for average consumer. This is by far the benchmark of modern laptops. I mean, no other on the market comes with a quality second screen that not only enhances productivity but also adds to the overall design aesthetics. So we have for the review Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 UX5812 powered by Intel Core i9 10th generation processor with a 32 GB of RAM. So let us jump into the review and see what this laptop offers and how it is. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Before getting into the review, let me tell you its specification. This laptop is powered by Intel Core i9 10th generation processor, GeForce RTX 3070 graphics, 32 GB of RAM and 512 GB of PCIe SSD storage plus 1TB of hard disk. It comes with a beautiful 15.6-inch 4K OLED display that will give you immersive display experience and 92 Wh battery to give you long-lasting battery life. Design: Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 Celestial Blue Brushed Magnesium Aluminum alloy is gorgeous. At slightly over 5 pounds, it's not too heavy to carry around regularly. When you first open the lid, the secondary ScreenPad Plus display rises up and you face two bright and colorful OLED displays. There had been few complaints about the original Duo sturdiness, but this one seems solidly built. The backlit keyboard, which is left off the center due to the placement of the touchpad, takes a few moments to get used to. The touchpad also has an odd placement to the right of the keyboard and doubles as a number pad. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 comes with an active stylus and a dedicated palm rest for when you are using it on your desk. Using a separate palm rest wasn't a problem for me, but for some people it may be a headache to keep an extra thing and use it very often. Input-output ports. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 is light on ports with only 3 USB inputs. On the left, you 3.5 combo headphone mic port, a HDMI port and a DC power port. And on the right, you find 2 Thunderbolt 3, USB Type-C ports and a USB Type-A port. Coming to the display, the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15's 15.6-inch OLED touchscreen display is bright and colorful and you're definitely going to enjoy multimedia on this laptop. The smaller ScreenPad Plus display is also colorful but has an anti-glare surface, giving it a distinct appearance. So here I'm going to play some video for you so that you can watch it and judge the quality of the video. The details are looking crisp and clear and the colors are vivid. The 4K Ultra HD screen here is mesmerizing and to watch the multimedia and it is perfect for watching movies also. The 14x4.3-inch ScreenPad Plus, a secondary screen, is bright and colorful, and the common question about this secondary screen is whether it is useful for normal usage, like if you are not a photo or video editor, whether you find it useful. Yes, it is pretty useful. There is a handy app launcher menu on the left side on the ScreenPad Plus that allows you to do things like launch applications, drag items into the display and sign documents or draw something. And if you're a video editor or a photo editor, you can take full advantage of this secondary screen. The ZenBook Pro Duo 15 comes with a bottom-firing Harman Kardon certified speakers that work in tandem with the Asus Sonic Master Audio technology to deliver a nice full range audio experience. So here I am going to play some no copyright music from NCM, so listen it and judge the quality. The main concern about this laptop is its keyboard because of its small size and awkward placement. In fact, I would say that it will take some time to adjust to this keyboard, but when you use the included palm rest, you will be comfortable typing on this keyboard. The ZenBook's vertical touchpad is located to the right of the keyboard and measures 2.5 x 3.4 inches, which is not the largest. Its positioning is troubling for some, but it offers enough space to get things done. And the interesting thing about this vertical touchpad is a number pad is also given here. Coming to the performance, the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo comes with an Intel Core i9 10th generation CPU, 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD. The specs are impressive and are similar to what you find in other premium laptops. These internal components present some really unimaginable efficiency on a bunch of content material creation duties. You will not face any performance issue when you use this laptop for heavy video editing like 4K video editing, or using Photoshop, or image editing, or photo editing, or playing even AAA titles. This laptop do with ease whatever you throw at it. The ZenBook Pro Duo 15's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU with the 8GB of virtual RAM is a solid gaming machine, and you can even enjoy the AAA titles on this machine. Coming to the battery life, the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is a powerful machine with a dual screen, so you may think that it may utilize the battery and will have short battery life, but that is not the case. Even you use a 4K content on this laptop, or use this laptop heavily on video editing, it may last around 4 to 5 hours easily. And on average usage or a normal usage, this can give you up to 6 hours of battery life easily. So overall, the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15 is a good premium laptop for content creators who have the funds to splurge on this pricey machine. The Pro Duo benefits from its dual 4K OLED displays, which adds to its versatility and essentially give you a built-in portable monitor. Consider this laptop for its excellent build quality, succinct display for high productivity and functionality, punchy performance and great speakers. The disappointments with this laptop are awkward keyboard and touchpad placement and the price. This is my review on Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 15. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.